Hello, my name is Branimir and I work as a CNC operator in Proferro. I work in Proferro for 3 years now, since I came to Belgium. And my job in Proferro is working with big machining centers, making all the brute pieces that are produced here in Proferro. You learn to work in a team with your colleagues. The salary is always on time, the salary is very good. You get vakantie health, you get also the end of year's premie. You get to know all the high-tech machines and all the cutting-edge technology that we have here in Proferro. First, when I had a job interview, it was said to me that for a start, English is enough. With Pick and All, you can attend for the Netherlands courses, and also I have a few niveaus now finished. You have all kinds of opportunities to develop yourself.